We are the new sons of thunder. We are uncrushable diamonds of light. We are the daughters of wonder. And when we leave the earth with a shower of sparks, we'll meet in the sky and we'll walk among the stars. When we walk among the stars, the pleasure will be ours. And with young unbroken hearts, we'll walk among the stars. 'Cause we belong above the heavens and beyond. Oh, we are the odd music makers. We are the dreamers of unusual dreams. We all face the forces of nature, but bravely we'll take great leaps of faith. And then just like that, we'll walk upon the waves. 'Cause we belong out on the ocean and beyond. We'll fly, we'll fly, we'll fly. You and I will fly. We are the heirs of adventure, and we are explorers of wondrous new worlds. We are the gifted inventors, and even though we are strange and exquisitely scarred, we won't need to pretend to be anything we aren't. When we walk among the stars, the pleasure will be ours. And with young unbroken hearts, we'll walk among the stars. Filled with the fierceness of tigers, we're all too familiar with the fires of life. But we are resilient survivors, and one day we'll be free of nefarious schemes, of cruel twists of fate, and evil kings and queens. 'Cause we belong between the sunrise and beyond. We'll fly, we'll fly, we'll fly. You and I will fly. Sons of thunder, feel the wonder. You were made to run and not be faint. So take heart, wild one, for there is a God who loves you to death, no matter what you've done. So don't lose hope, 'cause He